There's a saying here in Tampa Bay: if you haven't been around, you haven't run aground. Unfortunately, that is a bit extreme. That unfortunate fella ran into an oyster bar, and we've been talking about these shallow reefs now. The oyster bar, and well, left his boat for salvage. That boat's been there for quite some time. So that is a problem with derelict crab traps, scuttled boats and such. But we're here at the Bay Pines boat ramp. We'll take a look at the habitat. You can see there's the brown pelican. We also have some wading birds over on this area here, where we do have a mangrove and oyster coast. So the oysters live, and they're attaching themselves right there to the mangrove roots, the prop root system of the mangrove. So we do have an oyster and mangrove habitat here at the Bay Pines boat ramp. We'll take a quick look around, and you can see some more oyster bars in the distance. You do see a island out there in the channel, and then a lot of mangrove coastline. So it is low tide, so you can see the mangrove roots exposed. And then you can actually see how the oysters cling right there on the mangrove prop roots, the red mangrove. So we are at the boat ramp, taking a look at the ecosystem here, and focusing on oysters.